For many of us, summer is right around the corner, and that means vacation and sunshine and unbearable heat. So today, I want to share my tips. These are the small tweaks that I make to my skincare, my hair care, makeup, and clothing in order to feel my best all summer long. Before we hop into it though, I want to thank Laura Mercier for sponsoring today's video. I'm a huge fan of Laura Mercier and I couldn't be happier to be working with them to help launch the new Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. This new formula features a unique lash-hugging helix brush that gives you volume without clumping, smudging, or flaking, which makes it the perfect mascara for summer. So I'll share more about this launch in just a bit, but for now, let's hop into my tips. First things first, on really hot days, I like to start with a tall glass of water. The heat and humidity leave me dehydrated, and dehydration causes everything to be a little lackluster, so I like to give myself a fighting chance. Next, I like to jade roll to help wake me up and get the circulation flowing before I turn my attention to my hair. Now, if you're anything like me, then the heat and the humidity and the drying effects of the sun are instant guarantees for a bad hair day. I like to treat my hair to a healthy dose of hydration by using a nourishing hair mask. I apply it to damp hair, put on a shower cap, and then work out, and the amazing benefits really penetrate my hair and help smooth things. So then from there, all I have to do is shampoo, condition, and style as desired. In the heat, less is truly more for me, so I do a gentle cleanse followed by a simple skincare routine that typically starts with a splash of rose water. This helps to calm any redness that seems to be amplified when it's summertime for me. And then I complete my skincare routine with a hydrating sunscreen that helps protect my skin from the sun while also prepping it for light makeup. While my sunscreen dries on my skin, I like to get dressed, and I find that natural fibers that are breathable and a looser fit are essential for making me feel great in the heat. So I like linen and cotton and a lot of flowy silhouettes. I like to leave things loose or slightly belted, but nothing too tight. Just like you want to avoid wearing your plated or vermeil jewelry in the rain, it's a very good idea to also skip it in the heat, especially if you know you'll be sweating a lot. Friction and sweat can cause the plating on these pieces to wear off and ruin your investment much faster than necessary. So I like to stick to my fine jewelry pieces if I know I'll be outside and possibly sweating a lot. When it comes to makeup in the heat, less is more, and I like to stick to light layers and budge-proof formulas that give me mega impact with minimal effort. So to start my makeup, I like to apply primers that allow me to use less makeup overall. Things like an illuminating primer that livens up my skin and gives me that summer glow without looking greasy. And then I also like a green-based primer. I like to put that on any areas where I get red, and it allows me to use less concealer, foundation, BB cream, or CC cream because my skin looks good from the start. From there, I move on to my cheeks, and during the summer, I like a natural flush, and I find that a liquid blush that sets to a satin finish is perfect. Next, I move on to eyes, and I like to subtly play up my eyes by gently filling in my brows and then enhancing my lashes with mascara. And in my experience, the key to ensuring that your eye look won't run as you sweat is to pick a long-lasting but also impactful mascara. So the new Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara features a unique lash-hugging helix brush, and that coats every single lash for a full 360 effect. You get mega volume with no clumping, and even on someone like me with small eyes and difficult to reach lashes, the difference is incredible. It doesn't smudge, it's easy to remove, and it stays looking great and lifted all day long. I mean, look at that, it looks fantastic. They've also included something that they've dubbed Noir de Noir pigments, which provide an intense glossy but not shiny color payoff. So if you're interested in trying this mascara for yourself, you can find it at Sephora and lauramercier.com. So from there, all that's left for my makeup routine is my lips, and I like to stick to a lip balm, sometimes with a subtle tint, but mostly just something with SPF to keep me protected. You don't want to get sunburn on your lips, it's very painful, it's happened to me in the past. And then the finishing touches are to pick shoes and a handbag, and when working with very hot and mostly very muggy weather, I like airy, breathable styles that won't leave my feet sweaty because that can cause not only unpleasant odors, but also severe blisters. And then for my handbag, I use warm weather as the perfect excuse for swapping my leather handbag for a straw bag. And there you have it. Those are some of the tips that I rely on to look and feel my best all summer long so that I can get out there and enjoy the beautiful weather instead of complaining that I'm sweating and uncomfortable. So I hope that you found these helpful, and like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a great day.